Alright folks, I'm very happy to have you here. I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Rosco McCallahan, and if you have any questions, ask Rosco. It's a pleasure for me to have you visiting my channel and watching my reviews, previews, and stuff. You know what I'm talking about. So, my name is Rosco McCallahan. I'm from, and 1 year ago, I tried to become mayor in my hometown. So, as you can see, it didn't work. So now I'm trying to show you my world and answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy Rosco's reviews, previews, and stuff. Oh, a squirrel.